Bake the best cranberry banana coffee cake with this foolproof recipe. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, cranberry banana coffee cake. It's a delightful combination of tangy cranberries, sweet bananas, and a hint of warm spices. This moist and fluffy cake is perfect for breakfast or as a scrumptious dessert. So, let's jump right in and get baking. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup mashed ripe bananas, about 2 bananas, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, optional. For the streusel topping, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cold and cubed. For the glaze, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch square baking pan or line it with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Add the mashed bananas to the butter mixture and mix until well combined. Then, add the sour cream and mix until smooth. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the banana mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Fold in the cranberries and chopped walnuts, if using. In a small bowl, prepare the streusel topping by mixing the flour and granulated sugar together. Add the cold, cubed butter and use your fingers or a fork to combine until crumbly. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly. Sprinkle the streusel topping over the batter. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the coffee cake to cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the coffee cake has cooled, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar and milk until smooth. Adjust the consistency by adding more milk if needed. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake. Slice and serve. And there you have it, our mouthwatering cranberry banana coffee cake. It's the perfect balance of flavors, with the tartness of cranberries complementing the sweetness of ripe bananas. This coffee cake is sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to give it a try and let us know how it turns out for you in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a tasty treat. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.